How to use Kayak App Assistant. In order to use the Kayak App Assistant, you could use the AI mode in the app by typing a natural language request, such as I'm looking for a hotel near Central Park or whatever. So you want to open up your Kayak app, go to the profile section. Here you should be able to find the help button. And here you just want to go and open the app and then enter the natural language request. You could type a travel need in the descriptive sentence like find me a cheapest flight from New York to Miami, or you could just tap on the search and then you could go ahead and click or select the flight, and or you want to look for the hotels, cars, whatever that you want to go with, and type in with your travel. Yeah, you could type your travel needs and description sentence like all that, and review the tailored results. So the AI will analyze the request and show you the result that matches your criteria, such as specific hotel amenities, flight dates, or budget. And this way you should be able to use Kayak App Assistant. So you just need to follow the simple steps, and this is how you could use Kayak App Assistant. So that's how it's done. I hope the video was helpful. Make sure to like, share, and subscribe. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.